Afternoon all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday afternoon, November 17th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Another fantastic week for the bulls. Close up about $10 on the week. So the last 3 weeks we're up $24 3 weeks ago, $6 last week, $10 this week, $40. Now a lot of people are going to be screaming that the market's stretched out and it's overdone and everything else. Look, bottom line is this though, we're in balance on the daily, right? Just keep in mind, the monthly is still balanced. Yes, the weekly's gone up very nicely, but we're still in balance on the monthly and the daily right now. So yes, maybe short term we do pull back more, but don't say this market's stretched out. Don't say that, okay? We'll go over all the indices, charts in a minute. Righty goes out. Look at Righty. Righty spent the entire day trading in the upper distribution, which is upper distribution from yesterday, which is the sell tail. They end 11 wide, and they have an inside day. Never took out yesterday's high or low, so keep that in mind for Monday. NQ goes out with nothing. Neither do we. We have an 8 wide park. I want 9 wide or more. NQ only ends 7 wide. We did attempt to go trend up today in ES with 2 little sets of single prints. They failed. NQ never attempted to go trend up. For the second day in a row, NQ got both IBs, both overnights. We got both IBs, but we did not get the overnight high, which means our overnight high is still in the monthly. Our overnight high for the month is in the overnight. That's what I was trying to say. Okay. Now, I had an okay day today. I had a lot of machine problems, midday, whatever, which kept me offline for a bit, trading. And then this afternoon was a really, really tough grind. At first, well, let's go over all of them. So, I had a good morning, A period. I was short to go get the POC from yesterday. Didn't get it in A period, but it's still a good trade to start the day. And then in B period, in NQ, I took a short to break A's low, got 7 points out of it, took it off quickly, and thank goodness because they really shot up hard after that. They shot up like 50 points. So that was a good quick trade and out. I long D period in NQ because I didn't think we'd go trend down. That paid nicely. Then in F period, I shorted NQ because I didn't think they would go trend up. They didn't go trend up either. So, those trades are working out. I shorted G period and H period in NQ because there was no real tempo, especially in G. Now, H period, I made some on it. Didn't do it again because we were starting to try to get some distance. And then the last trade I took, believe it or not, I took a long in J period in ES. SPY got their poor high from the other day. ES did not. I thought they would get it. Ended up losing, I think, 3.5 points on that one. And that was the last trade of the day. M period finally wiped out a bunch of weak longs. Think about it. We traded above A's high, but there was no tempo, no real volume at all. And finally, M period wiped them out. It is the ninth smallest range of the year, $2.13. So it's our ninth smallest range of the year. As far as destinations, we have today's high, which is 451.42 weekly high, and then I'm carrying forward 451.94 is the overnight monthly high in SPY. Today's low is 449.29. We never got our POC from yesterday, I don't believe. I thought we did. Unless let me see. No, we never did. SPY missed their POC from yesterday. ES got that POC. Okay, now for ES, today's high is 34.50. Okay, they never got their poor high of 36.75 and their overnight high of 41.25, which is the monthly high. Downside is today's low of 12.75. So let's break down these charts as we head into Thanksgiving week. Again, we've had a lot of new people join the room. I want to thank them. Again, $30 a month. We offer a lot in that room, so come and check us out. So here's the monthly in IWM, right? I always break down the charts on the ETFs, not the futures. IWM last month stretched an 18-month balance low by less than $1, and so that kept it in balance. And now they've rallied off of that, like $16 to $18. It's still balanced. If they hold last month's low, the eventual target would be the balance high from August of 2022, which is 202. But we'll see. For now, balance. The weekly in the Russell came out of balance, up finally, out of an inside week. So for now, IWM weekly is up, okay? And the daily is balance. Now, that's a pretty ugly bar from yesterday. Look at that reverse hammer on that. They got to the 200 and got rejected. That's really important. Why? Because remember when they got below the 200-day moving average, remember they kept straddling it between August and October or September? And I said, are they the canary in the coal mine when they finally got below it on those 2 days? And it turned out they were, as the markets went and made lower lows. So again, one day doesn't make a market. I don't care they were rejected the first time at the 200, but eventually you want to see them get above it and get acceptance, okay? I mean, you can put a trend line from July's high. Look at this, about lower highs. There, that one, September 1st, and now, for the bull's sake, they're hoping that's not a lower high. So monthly and daily are balance, weekly is up. This is a pretty big balance for them. So, and they had a very small inside day. So if you come out of it on Monday, you go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. So you could come out of an inside day and still not get the balance high or the balance low. So keep that in mind. Triple NQ and Qs. Look at the monthly. Now remember, SPY made a new yearly high, okay? In the overnight, not in regular trading hours. They missed the yearly high by mere pennies, 11 cents, I think, 23 cents. So the monthly is balance. It's a 5-month balance, and their yearly high is in the overnight. The weekly is firmly up, one time framing up 3 weeks, and the daily 4-day balance. Right? They've gone bull, balance, bull, balance. Nice 4-day range. Nice 4-day balance. It's not a big range. So again, it's going to be interesting. Same with ES and SPY, I'm going to show you. It'll be interesting when we come out of it. You know, you want acceptance above this or below it, because if not, you can be a head faked and take out both sides of that balance. Keep that in mind. In triple Qs, in ES and SPY, balance on the monthly. Now we're still away from the yearly high still. We're still $7 from the yearly high. So we have some work to do still in the S&P. Firmly balanced on the monthly. The weekly clearly up. Now the weekly volume, not that good, 369 million, same as last week. It wasn't as powerful as that first week when it shot up 459 million. So you would like to get more volume involved, but the weekly is up, and the daily 4-day balance, and it's not a big one. It's only $5. So again, we were balance, bull, back to balance. We'll see if we come out of this balance and continue bull. Remember, next week, markets are closed Thursday, half day Friday. There'll be no videos Wednesday or Friday, as I will not be here, but I will be here trading all day Monday and Tuesday. Hope you had a good day and a good week trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening on Monday.